So, good morning, everybody. Myself, Sharifa Muskan. So, I am here to present my project named uh, Aerial Object Classification and Detection. So, this project basically, the goal of this project is to classify aerial images into two categories: drones and birds. So, this is important in applications like airport safety, surveillance system, and wildlife monitoring. So the problem we are solving is to distinguish between birds and drones using images captured from aerial views. So misclassification can lead to security risks, drone intrusion issues, and bird strikes hazards. So we built a deep learning model to automate this classification. So here the dataset we used is already we have a labeled dataset containing images of birds and drones. So the dataset is basically divided into training set, validation set, and test set. So each folder contains two classes, birds and drones. So as you can see here, the code and the command I have entered, and we got the folders like test, train, and valid. Inside these, we have two more folders called bird and drones. So this structured dataset helps in supervised learning. So before training, we perform pre-processing, resized all images to 224 by 224, normalized pixel values between 0 and 1, applied data augmentation such as rotation, flipping, and zoom. So this helps improve generalization and reduce the overfitting. So coming to the model building, well, I have went through two approaches. That is, first custom convolution and neural networks, and the second one is transfer learning. So the first custom CNN. This includes the convolutional layers, uh, pooling layers, and dense layers. This model learned features from scratch. So next, coming to the improved version of our model uh, called as transfer learning. Here I have made use of MobileNet V2. This model is pre-trained on ImageNet and already understands the image features like edges, textures, shape, and its combinations. So we chose the base layers and added our own classification layers. So on compiling both the models, the custom CNN achieved around 82 to 84% of accuracy. The transfer learning model significantly better, achieving around 96 to 97 accuracy. So this shows our pre-trained models are much more effective for image classification tasks. So coming to the evaluation part, I evaluated using the data using both validation and test data. So the final test accuracy was approximately 96.7, as you can see here. Yeah, 96.7, indicating strong performance on unseen data. So finally, I deployed the model using Streamlit. The application allows users to upload an image, view the image, get the prediction bird or drone, see the confidence score along with that. So my Streamlight UI has these four features: the uploading part of the image, viewing the image and classifying it as bird or drone, and also showing the confidence score. So this makes the system interactive and practical. So for the setup in local VS Code, I have downloaded the final model. Then I have made it run through my VS Code. Then this is what the UI interface, user interface I got through the Streamlit. So in the demo part, when we upload a bird image from here, the model correctly predicts it as a bird, and similarly for drone images. So the transfer learning significantly improves performance. The system is accurate and reliable. It can be used in real world applications. So as you can see here, I have uploaded an eagle aerial view image. So it is detecting it as bird. So the confidence was 0.92, which is approximately good, near to the very low error rate. And coming to the another part of the bird, I have here also have taken an different angle of eagle aerial view. So the confidence I have achieved here is 100%, which is very much better. So coming to the drone classification part, I have given the drone here. So it's showing the confidence of 0.54. So it's why it's giving a less than 80% is the drones have different natural structures than the birds. So the drone has the structures like symmetric, mechanical, which is human made. So it's not detecting much. Although, but it's detecting as it as drone. That's matter. That's the thing which matters. So here you can see the blurry in the blurry picture of drone. It's giving the confidence score of 0.75 and detecting it as drone. Same I have given the another drone image, which is clearly detecting and giving the confidence score of 1. So this is what the application execution into my local system. It was running into an unit app. So overall, in conclusion, transfer learning significantly improved uh, performance. The system is accurate and reliable. It can be used in real world applications. Thank you.